If you liked my earlier video about my family's Templar ring, well, I just got an amazing historical piece in the mail that you're going to love. So how about we do an unboxing and take a look? As I open this up, I can feel it. You can feel the energy coming off of this piece. And as soon as I show you what it is, you'll know why. This is an elongated initiation skull. This is a Cathar skull, elongated and inscribed for initiations. I will be doing a follow-up video on this and what the inscription on top means, the history of European oath skulls in general, and the history of European elongated skulls, because that is a very interesting topic that has been hidden until now.